DJI continues to dominate the drone sector. With each new release, they push the limits of consumer and professional drone technology. DJI has recently unveiled the Air 3S. Now, a question arises: how does the new Air 3S compare to the popular Mini 4 Pro? In this video, we'll compare their specifications, performance, and overall value. Whether you're thinking of upgrading or getting into drones for the first time, our detailed analysis will help you make an informed decision. So, let's begin. The DJI Air 3S keeps the same small folding dimensions as its predecessor, with a folded dimensions of 214.2 by 100.6 by 89.2 mm. It is heavier than the Mini 4 Pro, at 724 grams, which puts it in a higher regulatory class. As its name suggests, the Mini 4 Pro is much smaller. It folds up to 148 by 94 by 64 mm. One of its main selling points is its sub-250 gram weight, which enables wider application in numerous areas. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal is used for stabilization on both drones. The Air 3S has a slightly larger tilt range of 135 degree to 80 degree than the Mini 4 Pro. The Air 3S has a dual camera configuration that includes a 1-inch CMOS sensor for the wide-angle camera and a 1.3-inch sensor for the medium telephoto lens. In comparison, the Mini 4 Pro has a single 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. The wide-angle lens of the Air 3S has an 82.1 degree field of view and an f1.7 aperture, as does the Mini 4 Pro's. The Air 3S has a higher maximum ISO of 6400 for video than the Mini 4 Pro's 6400. Both drones enable a variety of photography modes, such as single shot, burst, and AEB, with the Air 3S providing greater resolution options. The Air 3S makes use of its dual camera system to provide a variety of shooting options. It supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles and can record 4K video at up to 120 fps and 1080p video at up to 240 fps. The wide-angle camera's bigger 1-inch sensor improves performance in low-light conditions. With its single camera, the Mini 4 Pro manages to capture impressive 4K footage at up to 100 fps and 1080p at 200 fps. HLG and D-Log-M profiles are also supported. Both drones offer 12 megapixel and 48 megapixel photo modes, with the Air 3S providing a slightly higher resolution at 50 megapixel for its wide-angle camera. The Mini 4 Pro introduces a night mode for optimized low-light video. To improve flying safety, both the Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro have omnidirectional obstacle avoidance systems installed. With its lidar front-facing sensors, the Air 3S may operate better in low light. Both provide advanced return-to-home features and active track 360-degree for subject tracking. The Mini 4 Pro includes features like hyperlapse, master shots, and quick shots, while the Air 3S offers similar intelligent flight modes. With a range of up to 20 km, the Air 3S has a more sophisticated O4 video transmission mechanism than the Mini 4 Pro, which has a 10 km range. Both drones are equipped with advanced capabilities and a variety of autonomous flight modes. With a top speed of 12 miles per hour compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 10.7 miles per hour, the Air 3S provides a marginal advantage in wind resistance. With a 4,276 mAh battery, the Air 3S provides up to 45 minutes of flight duration under ideal circumstances. Users should anticipate an actual flight duration of approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Despite its reduced dimensions, the Mini 4 Pro can run for up to 34 minutes on the standard 2,590 mAh intelligent flight battery, which equates to 20-25 minutes of practical use. While both drones have longer flight times, the Air 3S maintains to appear superior. The Air 3S requires approximately 70 minutes to fully charge, whilst the Mini 4 Pro requires approximately 64 minutes when using a 30-watt charger. The DJI Air 3S base kit, which comes with the drone, one battery, and a simple controller, is available for $1,099. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is more reasonably priced, starting at $759. Both offer fly more combo options, with the Air 3S priced at $1,399 and the Mini 4 Pro at $1,099. These combos include additional batteries, props, and accessories. The price difference reflects the Air 3S's more advanced features, positioning it as a higher-end option in DJI's lineup. The DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro both provide remarkable features in small packages. The dual camera system, extended flying length, and innovative features of the Air 3S set it apart and make it the perfect choice for users looking for the best possible performance. Meanwhile, the Mini 4 Pro stands out with its ultra-portable design, sub-250-gram weight, and impressive 4K video capabilities despite its compact size. Its lighter weight also offers ease of transport. The final choice will depend on your needs, preference, and budget limitations. That's all for today. Which one would you pick among these two? Write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.